years old, and I've done with my operation, the double wall replacement, tissue replacement, and the issue I've been facing for few years now since I was born with it from childhood, and I've been facing difficulties in my walk regarding the work I've been doing. So the only suggestion for me was to get an operation for my double wall tissue replacement. So I've been consultation with the company, and they've requested if I can come to PSH, and I'm really grateful for the team here at PSH, for Dr. Sanjeev and the team. Your work have been brilliant, and I can feel how you guys have been working together for quite some times now. I really thankful for you guys and your team for making my operation and successful one. Thank you.
Pagdating nakaihon na ang pangbula, karamihin ako Railoa o ng Drohalview. Yung bula pagka pakukuin niya ibo, babi na inaamban yung bula, may karabirohin na, may rawahin ang bula, sa harin kinamarawa binaha, niya naliwa tutong halo, nawan ng bula, bula rehin ko, Railoa.